Yo, good morning, good morning. It's gonna be a chill stream. Pretty much done trading. Well, I'm locked out, but I did pass a combine. Kinda had to take a lot of risk to do that, so not too proud of it, but nonetheless, that is secured. So what I'm looking to do now is just pretty much, watch if anything develops in other indices and see if I get a setup or something that I could potentially take just to practice, just to playbook. So that's the idea for the rest of the day anyway. All right. Now, what I'm actually interested in, and I missed this booting up the stream, but this is a nice little up thrust. Actually, I could just pull it up. I could pull it up right here. GC with a nice overnight high up thrust. That's clean, man. 15-second signal. 30-second signal. Yeah, bro. 1 minute's okay, but still, you get that sweep, instant sell candle, quick follow through. So I'm actually interested in just keeping an eye out for stuff like that. I don't know how many opportunities we'll be getting at NQ with the slow market, so the idea is just to kind of diverse what I'm doing, but still trade within the same framework. Just add a few other indices in the mix. Open up my blinds, let some light in here. Morty, Megan. It's almost time to shut the laptop, close the laptop, and enjoy the weekend. It's almost that time. Let's go. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Alright. So, I need to review these trades before I get carried away. Wait, what? Isn't his birthday weekend? I thought his birthday's on the 4th. Today's the 1st. I'm lost in time. Oh, it's on Monday. Okay, alright, okay. Yeah, on the 4th. So I was right, I'm a good friend. Made me feel like I'm lost in the sauce. What you guys about to do? Turning 30, bro, we're old as shit. I hate it. So sad. Packing the brews, going fishing, getting drunk and hanging out, and then go eat some food. Not cook the fish you catch. Have you guys cooked any of those fish? Like a serious question. There is 23K in NQ. Nice. Man, what a bounce. That's crazy. That's insane. This 5 minutes, insane, bro. That's crazy. Not touching that fish, bro. I can't wait till I come. I swear I can't wait. I'm gutting that motherfucker and frying him right there on the spot. Dang. I thought you guys were catching some good fish. Just be my guest. It's funny. Scared of a little fish guts? A little fish smell in your hands? I know, I feel that. That's why I don't even, like, I hate the fishing part. Because I feel bad for the fish. like their mouth gets all messed up with the hook. But you just kind of got to get past it and accept the fact that you're a carnivore anyway. So all these poor animals get slaughtered anyway. What up, Desi? Des, I had my first green day in a long time on stream. Passed my combine too, finally. But I'm not proud of it. Killed the self-funded. It was a major drawdown, but I'm doing a TPT combine. Brick by brick, yeah, brick by brick. But he took apart his self-funded brick by brick. I'm kidding, but I told you, bro, it's not a good idea to trade the self-funded when it's so little. Pull back VWAP short. I don't know. Wait for a good signal. I mean, the magnitude of this bounce and the undercut. I'm not saying it can't work, but oh, funded with a TPT. Oh, GG's. Okay, that's not bad then. Bro, I've been watching, I mean, I don't know if you saw me post it. I made a grid of all these indices. just to keep an eye on everything. And it's been kind of interesting. Like, opens up my opportunities a bit. They don't always work, but it's definitely interesting because sometimes there's nothing in NQ, but there'll be a bunch of other stuff. Like, bro, this morning I tried the sweep of the overnight low on RTY. There's a signal on the 1 minute. It's on the 5 right now. Sweep of the overnight low, prior day low on CL oil. Stopped on both. And then sweep of 840 and NQ worked. Pain. And then after that, like, now that my account's locked out, I'm also seeing a sweep of the overnight high in gold that worked. So kind of interesting, you know? Same strategy, but just diversifying it a bit. Risk is too wide? How much do you risk? No more than 3 points? Damn, bro, that's tight. Well, actually, it's like, what, 15 points in NQ? That's kind of okay, I guess. That's what's hard for me, bro, is like, I'm not used to the way these other ones move. So kind of tough. Kind of tough knowing how much to be going for. Oh shit, what's up, Chrissy? really. It's pretty shit, actually. I actually hate it so bad. Nah, it's really bad. I bought it with the context of... Sorry. I bought it with the context of this low from the 16th being swept. And look at how I entered it, bro. Like basically once we re-entered that 640, I was buying it. Filled at 650-ish. So like right there. This is where I bought it. This was my risk. 2 contracts. This would have easily wiped out my account. Like, no doubt about it. And yeah. But I like the idea. Like, I like the context of this higher time frame pivot being swept. And then I set my Then I set my take profit literally right here. Like, this is what my take profit, right? Because that was the exact amount that I needed to pass the combine, whatever. This thing literally tickled it, bro. Like, it didn't fill me. So imagine how I felt watching the entire thing go back because it was 1 tick away. Like, that is just ungodly pain. I took a screenshot. Look at this. Look at that. Bro. Pain. So, yeah, and thankfully it came back and filled me. We got Feds Bostic speaking. But like, it's tough, bro, because I'm working with the idea of a sweep, so I want an instant bounce. So like, the stop aside, I can justify this entry to myself. However, this circled one is probably what I should have been going for. But then at the same, I don't know, bro. I don't know. At the same time, it's like this circled entry doesn't change anything, because if I placed my risk just below here, it would still be stupid considering, like I said, I'm working with this higher time frame sweep, so it doesn't really matter what happens through the zone. Again, I just hate how much I risked. I should have just went with 1 contract, and even then that would have been way too much, even with 1 contract. It's fucking 50 points, bro. Like, no matter how you flip it, that's just bad. And it would have paid though with 1 contract still. Like I said, I don't know, bro. I'm just not proud of it. It bothers me so bad that this is how I passed. And then you don't even know how I ran this combine up. I think it's just as bad. Like, I can't say I tilted and started trading nonsense, because I didn't, but I did start trading a little bit outside of my framework lately. Like yesterday, I mean, you saw me post this grid. Like yesterday, I was not having anything in NQ, so I started taking sweeps of all the other stuff. And I don't know how these things move, so like, I just had my bracket orders for like $400, whatever. So I just took them off and I started placing structure-based stop and take profit. So I basically, what was that? I think I took, I'm sorry, this is gold. I think I took RTY here as, yeah, right here. God damn. Hold on. Yeah, but like, okay, yeah, sweep selectivity, yes, but that was still there, right? And what this trade was, it's still part of my framework. I just was in a different index. So I switched over and it had this sweep of overnight low and a new low of day it made. Boom. Like that. And I think I took profit like into this pivot. So that was way more than what my normal take profit is for, like, you know, $400. This thing gave me like almost 2K. or more than 2K, but I was already down on the day, so like it basically brought me halfway to passing this combine. And then this morning I did the same shit. Like this morning I didn't get nothing in NQ, nothing set up for me, so I was like, okay, let me try RTY again. And then I took this right here, which is part of my framework. Great signal. It even gave a pop, which would have, for my scalping take profit for $400, it gave me that. But I set my take profit like way higher, just, you know, on like halfway through this move. Got stopped because the move technically failed, and even though it gave that little pop. And then same thing, I was like, all right, let me try CL now. Same thing. Prior day low, overnight low sweeps, gives signal, I try it, rolls over. Like, okay, well, at least I'm within my framework, but they all failed. And then NQ, I tried that one, and then you know the rest. So maybe it's a sign. Which part is the sign? There isn't anything today in RTY. There is for me. There is for me. The sweep of the overnight low. This is a, like, I use this as my signal candle, and then also I still took it per the 30-second. So it was like even cleaner right here. Look. Sweeps that overnight low. Nice tiny hammer, clean. And then, like, bro, it gave a fat move. This is like equal to 20 points in NQ. So I could have banked with just that, right? But I had my take profit up here. So what's my entry strat? I just explained it right here. So it's basically sweeps, and then I look for a signal candle, something like a hammer, like this. And then I just take it to that candle's high. So I take it to that candle's high, stop here, and then I target something structure based, or, you know, whatever profit. But that's my entry and take profit justification. Yeah, but saying that something made the RTY sweep yesterday very good, while today's tough. Well, I mean, I don't know. Just a setup that failed. The markets were also dumping today, so the markets were just dumping, bro. I mean, it's like, okay, technically speaking, what made it fail is the fact that if I really get technical with it, it's this whole thing looks like distribution to me. And then this big ass range finally gave out, and I'm over here trying to long some little blip. Like, it's a valid trade for like a scalp maybe, but I was way too ambitious with my take profit. That's why, as you saw, it worked for a pop, for like a pop of equivalent to 20 points in NQ, and then failed. There was definitely some buyers there, but it just wasn't enough to stop all that big selling. It is what it is, bro. It's still a trade I would take again, honestly. Yeah, it failed. Yeah, it failed. But again, I don't care. I would take that trade again. I would. Bro, I'm a fucking degen, dude. Like, I swear, bro. I don't know if Dave is watching, but every time Dave hops in here, I'm always doing something new. I'm like, I don't want to disappoint him. He gets in here and he's like, oh shit, you're scalping for 5 points? Oh, you're scalping for 10 now? That's like, damn. I don't think he's here. I think he's tired of my shit. But, bro, I swear, that's how it's been, though. I'm like, jeez, man. I mean, maybe it's growth, but I feel like I've just been strat hopping so much. It is what it is. I'm not too mad about it. Something I kind of have to do at this point, just to keep on honing my edge. Because I swear, bro, something will work for like a month until the market changes, and then it just doesn't. It's like been the theme for the last 2 years. But also, it's not like it comes back later. Like, I can confidently say what made me money earlier in the year, I just have not seen that work. I mean, yeah, you kind of see it here, that higher low, whatever. Yeah, cool. But how often do we see this? Not often. So like those 2 times a month don't count to me. Back in the winter, when I was taking consistent payouts, these type of moves happen every single day. Bro, why do you message me in the think tank? I don't understand. What is the point of that? Now I gotta have all these tabs open. You could literally just say all that same stuff in here. Nobody's censoring you. But he said yesterday you had the RTY into higher time frame support. Was it? Maybe. Looks like a whole zone of a bunch of stuff, but I don't know. That's beyond me, man. That's for you. No, everything's permitted in my okay, not that one. Not that one, but everything else is permitted. No, I'm gonna make it beyond me, bro, because I don't care. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No. Piss off. Yeah, I hate it, bro. Absolutely hate it. No, I hate getting so deep about price action, bro. This thing just moves, okay? Gooner gambler, yeah. Bro, I was always trying to reverse engineer the price action. How about you just accept the fact that it's just dark magic and it just moves on its own, doesn't matter what you do. And your world will be easier. Alright, bro, entertain me, man. Send me some charts. So send me some executions. See what you did. Or are we S August 1 boys? I guess I need one now. Damn. I just trade Wyckoff, aka liquidity sweeps. That's all. So reversals essentially. Just sweeps of support and resistance. Keep it simple. No, not ICT. I mean Wyckoff. Just Wyckoff. I mean, ICT is the same thing, to be fair, but yeah, this. So like, you have support. Support gets swept and reclaimed. Or like, you have resistance. Resistance gets swept and reclaimed. So, I can show you that in multiple charts. Like this right here, in gold. See, same thing. I didn't trade this. I'm already locked out, but I would have loved this. Sweeps the overnight high. Take it there. Target the low of this zone. So something like that. Hopefully that makes sense. I really like this even more on the 30-second. Just nice little blip. Oh, you're in GC shorts? Yeah, nice. This thing is slow, man. Wow, this is like crazy. I mean, it gave this move once it gave the sweep of the overnight high, but since then it's just... Bro, I'm poor. Yo, Chrissy, tell this guy how poor I am. That's a crazy request. You're asking a homeless man to gift you a PC, bro. I'm literally as good as living under the bridge. Some Friday BS, maybe. Give him the PC instead. Yeah, give me the PC, bro. I need it more than you. Swear, bro. I need it more than you, man. Alright, let me see. Chrissy. Bruce. Oh, nice. You nailed it. Damn, you took the best trades of everyone today. Very nice. These higher lows. This thing's lagging a little bit. Yo, no way. Okay, I thought I was tripping. I'm looking at this chart, right? I'm on the 15-second, and I'm like, okay, why do your higher lows look so much more developed than these? Bro, send me a 5-second chart. Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. I was like, am I on the 1 minute? And he's on the 15-second? Nah, the 1 minute didn't give nothing there. The 30-second barely did. Well, my man's was on the 5? Did you really trade that though? There's no way you did. I know you're trolling. Because where do you even... Yeah, no way. There's no way. I was about to say, man. What kind of monster are you? Are you talking about me who refuses to look at a chart higher than a 5-minute? 5 minutes way too late. What's the futures for that? Do you know, Chrissy? The bonds? It's supposedly really liquid too. Is it this? There's no way. Oh, it's not the bonds? What is that? CFD. Alright, bro. Yeah, see, again. It's above my pay grade, man. You guys are just talking in a language I don't understand. All I know is lines and boxes, bro. What is this EFD? Focus on IQ. Alright, GG's. It's Nasdaq's. Oh, I see. Just another way to index it. Alright, bot needs to fuck off. Forex of Nasdaq, that makes sense. Yeah, it's crazy how many instruments there is for one thing. Be mature, it's also called NQ, yeah. Okay, cool. I didn't know. I thought that was bonds or something at first. Makes sense though. Non-binary trading. LGBT trading. Bro, Kyle got me this Opinicus Yeti. I've never had a Yeti before, but pretty crazy. Very nice experience, gotta say. $22,700? I'll mark your words, man. In fact, I'll join you on those words. I believe it. In fact, I hope it goes there, bro. Because I'm sick of all-time highs. But I believe... I mean, yeah, 700 is right there, really. I mean, it's not far off. We would have to clear all this first, though. Like 770s, 780s. I still remember trading this area like it was yesterday, too. That's funny. Yeah, Yeti is fire. This thing has a little engraving on it. I don't know if the camera even picks it up. This thing is green, so it's like doing the green screen thing. Yeah, ask them. The top donors get one for free, like the Topstep 5K hat. Bro, I was thinking too, like they send out those 5K hats at Topstep. I want one. I should qualify for one because I technically got over that in payouts. But but you can't apply for it. It's like random, but they send it. It'd be funny just wearing that 5K hat on stream, taking L's, blowing accounts. Like a clown. By the way, what's going on with YouTube? There's like a little LGBT thing on the icon where it's supposed to say YouTube. Aren't we past that? Okay. Bro, I feel bad for Derpy Human. His gold hasn't moved at all. It does that when you stream? Damn. Pain. They know. They know about you and gold of binary trading. It's pretty slow now. May as well add today's disaster in here. Damn it, man. I did not take any screenshots of that CL. Sucks. What up, Martin? Yeah, I did. Took a couple of losses and then passed it. This is my second one. I have a XFA that I just haven't been touching because I wanted to get another combine in the chamber just in case. So starting on Monday, I guess I'll be messing with the XFA. Maybe not, I don't know. Maybe I'll start another combine. I'm not sure yet. Not sure. Like, I genuinely don't feel comfortable trading my funded yet. Still kind of... I'm not 100% on my strat and my edge overall. Like, the hit rate on this thing was really bad too. It's like, bro, 50-50. This is how bad it's been. And then basically I was breaking even for like 2 weeks, and then I just kind of didn't full port, but I just went for more aggressive trades yesterday and today. Basically setting higher targets than I normally would, so that's how we ended up here. Jeez. Let's see, is there more events for today? Nope. Might be in for the rest of the session being slow. I hope not, because I wanted to practice and stuff. He said same, been struggling lately, lost 4 XFAs. Damn it, man. When was the last time you got a payout? Dude, I haven't seen a payout in so long. I feel like that's really why I'm scared to even touch my fundeds. It's like I feel like I'm back in my boom and bust phase, and it's just mentally defeating me. So although yeah, I have like an occasional account passed, but it's like I don't know, I'm just not feeling 100, so I may crank another combine. What happened? What were you, what do you mean be a hero? Did you like break your rules or full port, or what happened? Like lately I've been pretty disciplined about full porting and, you know, just trading recklessly, and I've still been getting beat up, and that's what really gets me. That's what really makes me not want to touch my funded, is just now I just don't even fully trust my strategy anymore, and I hate that. So not a good feeling at all. One full port, yeah. Dude, Yeah, I've done that plenty. I've done that plenty, man. I just haven't done that in a bit, in probably like a month or so. But I would say like the last or from March all the way until June, that's exactly what I was doing. A lot of donations to Topstep via combine fees. So then I tried to dial in, and I was just like still getting bonked here and there. It's frustrating. Oh well, I mean you've been good though, so I think if you take the emotion out of it and take your time, you'll definitely get back on the saddle. Because I mean you've taken plenty of payouts with them before and other props, so I would not be discouraged if I was you. In fact, you had like 20k months, I remember, or something like that. Maybe less, but still, it was pretty impressive. Like your post from a while ago. So, I think something like that, if you do it a few times, like, I mean, that says a lot, you know? It says you can definitely do it if you lock in. What is this? Random line. It's the emotion. Have to trade day over the buffer. So I can take out daily payouts starting Monday. Let's go. Nice. That's solid. That's really good then. But yeah, emotion gets me all the time too. Thankfully, it's been, I would say, the last month and a half, I've been the best ever about it. And now just my strategy failing me. Like, not failing me, like you saw, it's been 50% hit rate. So it's like, it's still working. It's just like that. I don't know. I needed to adjust. I've been trading 1R setups or like negative R. So like that doesn't work with a 50% hit rate, which is essentially how I ended up passing my combine. Yesterday I was like, okay, let me screw the tight take profits with this stupid hit rate. Like, let me just shoot for the moon with my take profits, but like still take the same setups. And I mean, I guess it worked. But like that's only really 2 days, so I don't really fully trust it. But yeah, just ended up ripping it. How's that even? Oh, never mind. I'll give it another half hour and see how this hourly continues to develop. If we get a move into midday, if not, probably shut it down. Nothing to do. Later, Martin. Thanks for tuning in. See you next week, sir. Have a great weekend. buying gold with absolute barcode. Oil moving decent. Everything else just kind of following with NQES. Barcode, man, barcode. Just dead. Alright, I think, let's see, I've got 3 minutes till this 30-minute closes. Let's see what happens. Get another 5 minutes probably. This just doesn't look promising, especially on a Friday. Just doesn't look promising, man. Gotta remember it's Friday. So, lower expectations into midday than normal. There we go. Starting to turn over a little bit. Alright, yeah, let's barcode. I was hoping for some flurry of action into this new 30-minute that just opened up. And yeah, no. I mean, we might still retest the 840 or the lows. Kinda is looking like it on all charts. But it's taking way too slow. It's boring. So I'm gonna go take a walk. See you guys next week. See y'all next week.